Deep thinkers, come on over. We're going to go down this intuitive rabbit hole together. I'm Brand Victoria and I'm a manifestation slash mindset coach, and I'm here to answer all your questions about manifestation, the universe, energy, parallel realities, you name it, life in general. We're talking about it. Let's jump into the questions. Is there only one right way to manifest? A simple no. Because there is definitely not one right way to manifest. As a matter of fact, all the ways work. It's just a matter of what resonates with you. Which method makes you more excited? Are you excited to do this one method over the other one? That's the one you go with. Because it matters about your believability in the method. I can give you a method right now in manifestation to use, but if you're like, oh, I've done that one before, it doesn't work. It's not going to work for you then. That's not going to be your right way then, but it will work for other people. So just think in believability. Next question. Do I have to be positive all the time in order for good things to happen to me? No, you're human. You're meant to feel the full spectrum of emotion. As a matter of fact, being positive all the time actually can be a negative thing because you can put you in a vibrational frequency that is lower because you keep covering up your actual feelings. You may feel fear, but then you're just trying to mask it saying everything's good, I'm fine, it's all peachy keen, when it's really not, because you can't lie about how you feel. It's a vibrational frequency. You can't lie about it. The more that you cover it up, it builds momentum until you spiral, and you may feel depression, you may feel extreme anger. It will build up. So don't let it get there. It's actually when you feel through the fear and you feel through the sadness and the disappointment that you can become positive and feel good and happy. And good things are happening to you all the time. It's just your perspective on these things. If you label something as bad and like, oh, this bad stuff is going to happen to me because of XYZ, then that's your belief and that will happen for you. So don't label your low vibe emotions as and correlate that with something bad happening to you. It's a good thing. Be happy your emotions are guiding you. It's just a perspective shift on that. I literally feel like I can talk about these questions and go on with the answers for these questions for hours and hours. But we're going to end it here. If you have a question that you want answered, just put it down at the bottom and it'll get answered soon.